You can simply use your mind to get the results you want. Whatever you plant in your subconscious mind and nourish with constant spaced repetition, feeling and faith will one day become your reality. That is what we call a paradigm shift, and I guess that is what coaching is for. I'm Kasper Larsen, and in a second I'll give you a tool. Manifestation is just about mindset. To get transformation results, you gotta set up your mindset for success. Change your paradigm and everything will change. It's my purpose to help you and your business doing just that. Here's the exercise and tool. According to the introduction, you only need two things. You have to find out what you want and keep on repeating that in your conscious mind until it becomes a new paradigm in your subconscious mind. Remember, it has to be with feeling and faith. So the question for you today is, what do you really want? And what do you need to believe and feel in order for that to become a reality? Post it in the chat, subscribe and get a free talk. We are here to help you get full spectrum success. Tell us your goal and we show you how to break free and do it in just 6 months. We simply have a system that works. Success is not a secret, it is a system, so don't waste your life.